Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can unhide comments on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Instagram app, then tap on profile icon at the bottom right. Then from over here, we're going to tap on a post where we would like to hide a comment. Now once you have tapped on the post, tap on the comment over here. Then you're going to tap on this option of hide, and now you can see the comment has simply been hidden. And then if I have to go back, let's go ahead, go back, and now I want to simply unhide the comment. I'm going to tap on the profile. Again, I'm going to simply tap on the comments here, and I will find the comment that is there, and the hidden comment is over at the bottom. I can see hidden comments. I'm going to tap on that option and my comment will appear there. I can tap on unhide given at the bottom, tap on unhide. Now the comment is unhidden and it will appear right over there. That is basically how you can do. You can do that to other posts as well. You can choose to simply hide it. Likewise, you can simply go ahead and tap on this little hide option and hide it, and tap on see hidden comments and simply unhide it like that as well. That's basically how you will be able to do so. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.